Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina Sanko. As the leaves start to turn and the air becomes crisp, it's the perfect time to give your home that cozy autumn and Halloween feel. In today's video, I'll show you some fantastic ideas on how to decorate your home to embrace the fall spirit. Let's dive right in. Autumn in spirit entryway. First things first, let's start with the entryway. It's the first impression of your home, so make it warm, inviting. I've added a rustic wreath with autumn leaves and some charming pumpkins. Don't forget a cozy doormat to welcome your guests. Pumpkin spice everything. When it comes to fall, it's all about pumpkin spice. Incorporate this iconic flavor into your decor with pumpkin-themed kitchen items, like mugs, plates, and even a cute pumpkin spice scented candle. Now let's create a warm and cozy living room. Add some throw blankets and fluffy pillows in autumnal colors. Consider wrapping out your regular artwork for fall-inspired prints or Halloween-themed gallery wall. It adds a playful touch. DIY Halloween crafts. One of my favorite things about this season is Halloween. Get creative with some DIY Halloween crafts. You can make your own spooky garlands, eerie candle holders, or even cave pumpkins with unique designs. As the days get shorter, lighting is key to creating that cozy ambience. Use warm-toned LED candles, string lights. They not only set the mood but are also safer than traditional candles. The Halloween table. Whether you're hosting a Halloween dinner party or just enjoying a meal with your family, don't forget to set a festive table. I've gone for spooky tableware and eerie centerpieces. It's all about creating that Halloween atmosphere. Outdoor decor. Finally, let's not forget about the outside. Decorate your porch or yard with pumpkins, scarecrows and cobwebs. And of course, cave some jack-o'-lanterns to light up the night. It's the time of the year again when we trade our iced coffees for pumpkin spice lattes and wrap our flip-flops for comfy sweaters. Autumn is the air and it's time for embrace all the cozy vibes it brings. As the leaves turn various shades of gold, crimson and amber, it's like nature's way of saying, let's get cozy. The crisp air is perfect for strolls in the park, crunching leaves beneath your boots and capturing that Instagram-worthy fall foliage shot. Speaking of cozy, there's nothing quite like snuggling up with a warm blanket and a good book, binge-watching your favorite cereal and the rain pitter patters on the window. And let's not forget about the culinary delights of fall. It's officially soup season and you can't resist the aroma of a hearty bowl of soup simmering off the stove. And of course, apple and pumpkin pie are practically mandatory. But it's not just about the food, it's about the company. Invite your friends over for a game night or a movie marathon. Share stories, laughter, and maybe a few spooky tales for Halloween. Oh, and don't even get us started on Halloween. The custom planning, the candy, the haunted houses, it's all part of the fun. And if you are a fan of pumpkin carving, it's time to unleash your inner artist and create some seriously spectacular jack-o'-lanterns. So here's to flannel shirt, fuzzy socks and those just one more marshmallow moments in your hot cocoa. Autumn You're the best season to chill, unwind and enjoy the warmth of friends, family and all things cozy. Stay snug, stay slushes, and let's make this fall season one for the books. Decorating your home for fall and Halloween. Fall is a wonderful time of the year. The leaves change colors, the air gets cooler, and everything feels cozy. Many people like to decorate their homes for fall and Halloween. But why do they do it? And why it's a good idea? First, decorating your home for fall and Halloween makes it feel warm and inviting. Then you walk into a decorated home and feel like you're a special place. It's like a warm hug from your house. Second, decorating can be a fun DIY project. DIY means do it yourself. You can make your own decorations and crafts. It's a way to be creative and make your home unique. You can carve pumpkins, make spooky ghosts, or even create a scary crow. Third, the smells of the fall are amazing. There are cozy scents like cinnamon, apples, and pumpkin spice. Their scents make your home feel like a warm and comforting place. You can use candles or air fresheners to fill your home with their delightful fragrances. In conclusion, decorating your home for fall and Halloween, it's a great way to make it feel cozy and special. You can have fun making your own decorations, and the warm autumn scents will make your home a delightful place to be. So, go ahead and get creative with your fall decor. Decorating your home for fall and Halloween can be a lot of fun, but why do it and why is it a good idea? Makes your home cozy. Decorating your home for fall and Halloween makes it feel warm and cozy. When you walk in, it's like a big, comfy hug from your house. Express your creativity. It's a chance to be creative and make your home special. You can make your own decorations and crafts. What's called DIY, which means do it yourself. You can create pumpkins, ghosts, or scary crows. Enjoy the scents. Fall has wonderful smells. You might love and scents of cinnamon, apples, or pumpkin spice. Their smell make your home feel even cozier. You can use candles or air freshener to brighten their lovely scents into your home. So, decorating your home for fall and Halloween, it's not just about making it look pretty. It's about making it feel warm and inviting, having fun with DIY projects, and enjoying the delightful scents of the season. Go ahead and get creative with your decorations. The harvest moon is a celestial phenomenon that occurs every autumn when the full moon rises close to the time of the autumnal equinox. It has stirred the imagination of people for centuries and continues to be a source of wonder and inspiration today. In the past, the harvest moon was a signal for farmers to work late into the night, using the moonlight to harvest their crops. Fast forwards to the present day, and while technology has made farming less reliant on moonlight, the harvest moon still holds a special place in our hearts. Many communities organize harvest moon festivals where they celebrate the season with music, food trucks, and local artisans. The harvest moon has also inspired various forms of art and entertainment. Musicians have written songs about its beauty, and video games like Harvest Moon now know a story of seasons. Let's players experience the joys of farming and the digital world. One modern twist of the Harvest Moon celebration is the focus of farm-to-table dinner. Farm-to-table restaurants source their ingredients locally and seasonally, making the most of the fresh produce and the harvest season brings. So, during the harvest moon, you can often find special menus feeding dishes made from locally harvested crops. In our hyper-connected world, the harvest moon is a perfect opportunity to capture stunning photos and share them on social media. The moon's warm golden glow and the backdrop of autumn landscapes make for Instagram-worthy moments. You often see hashtags like harvest moon or autumn night trending during this time. In conclusions, the harvest moon remains a magical and celebrated event in the modern age. It's a time to appreciate the beauty of the changing seasons, support local communities, and share our experience with friends and followers online. Whether you're attending a harvest moon festivals, including in farm-to-table dining, or simply admiring the moon from your backyard, the harvest moon is a reminder of the beauty of autumn and traditions that continue to evolve in our ever-changing world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care!